In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 773. This error can occur due to permission inconsistency that prevents it from being launched from dynamically changing the server connection. So the game executable needs to be changed so that it always launches with administrator privileges. So if you encounter something like this, okay, teleport failed 770, what you're going to do first is to simply log into your Roblox account and then tap this gear icon or settings here. Tap this one and then go to security. And what you're going to do here is to simply log out all sessions. As you can see here, you just have to tap this one and it will ask you again. So tap log out. So if your Roblox is logged into your phone or to your other device, expect that it will be logged out. So that's the very first step. The second thing to do here is to just simply update your Roblox. So select any games here and then tap this green button. And once you tap this, something will pop up like download and install. All you have to do is to click download and install and it will be, it will pop up right here. It is starting to download. Then open that download folder. Okay, right click, run as administrator, and you just have to wait as it is processing. Okay, so yeah, that's how you update your Roblox. Now, the next thing to do is to use VPN. There are tons of VPNs that you can use here or download here, but I suggest this Privado VPN here. And then the reason why you use VPN is to simply bypass this restriction. But actually, there are tons of VPNs for free. All you have to do is to select one. Okay, and then a last thing to do now is to teleport individually. Try teleporting each player separately if you run into Roblox error code 773. While attempting to teleport to a group of players, this approach can take more time, but it will enable you to pinpoint the offending player. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.